Hi, welcome back, all. In the previous video, we understand the search type. One is a lexical search, and the one other is semantic search. And let's go further ahead in that our semantic search. We understand that we were able to get the search results with the help of the semantic search, right? So let's understand how the semantic search was able to do that one. So this it is the system how how it know the meaning of the question that we are asking instead of the play taking word count word match. They the systems these algorithm or machine learning things can do with the help of the or with the help of the embeddings. These embeddings are the numbers. As we are a humans, we understand the language. If somebody is talking, we understand the text that is written, right? the these computer programs will understand only the numbers. So what if we can convert these content of the text, audio or video into the numbers called the embeddings, and the system will understand this and process it. The computers will know the meaning of the question or content it was there and answer the most relevant answers, appropriate response. So to summarize, a vector embeddings, let me go back to the embeddings part. Embeddings are just the numerical representation of the content, and the vectors is an array. So both of them together call the vector embeddings. So what they will do is like they will hold the intent meaning of the text and the relationship between the words in the text and in which context it was there. It basically and hold the meanings of the uh, data that we are storing in this vector representation. To give an example, let's say if we have certain sentences like hi, hello, how are you? So assume that the these are the vector representations of it. So these three dots is like there will be lot of numbers, a lot of cells like this. uh, they will be represented. So let's understand them in little bit more details. So as we see that vector have a the vector embeddings have a numbers, right? To get our head around these numbers, assume that we have a sentence like the revenue of apple, revenue calories in apple and nutrition in orange. If we assume that these data sentences have some characteristics and let's assume these are the some characteristics we have it. So in the case of phones, these characteristics of the related to the phones is one, and for the calories in apple for the vector representation, this it's not related to the phones, so we represent it as zero. And the same case with the orange, and these are not related to the location, so we just leave it. And is the revenue of apple related to the stack, so that's why we put a one here. And this calories is 00 and revenue also apple will have it. Apple is a company will have it, so that's why we put it 82. And it is a fruit, yes, we put it as a one. These are the numbers, these are random numbers. They don't mean anything, but they are somehow capturing the character. These are the characteristics, these are the dimensions of the word, uh, words or sentences we have it. So and the calories is have a zeros because revenue will not have any calories. Calories in apple have 90, and this one. So if you could represent this the string, these strings in the numerical format, and these are all different numbers, right? So these different numbers are called the dimensions. So these dimension will be used for our semantic search because they will be capturing in the meaning of the sentences or words that will help us to do the semantic search on these numbers and get the appropriate results. Okay, I just wanted to summarize here the embedding the data of audio, video, or text can be represented in numbers so the computers can understand. And this representation of the numbers is called the vector embeddings. And these vector embeddings capture the characteristics of the string character or words, so that we call it as a dimensions. Okay, these three things I wanted you to understand out of these vector embeddings. Just to reiterate, all the content data can be represented in the form of the numbers so that computers can understand, and these numbers are called the vector embeddings, and these numbers captures the dimension characteristics of the data they call as a dimension. Thank you.